Did you know you can now use Google Lens to do visual searches here in Google Chrome? It's really simple to do. Let's show you how. Let's do a quick search for Niagara Falls hotels. Say you're looking for a hotel and just looking through the images here, and you find one you like and you're really not sure which hotel it is, something like this one here. If you head up to the very top right-hand corner in Google Chrome, and there's three little dots there, you can left click on it, and there's a menu that comes up and you'll see the option that says search with Google Lens. Go ahead and left click on that. And you can see my cursor turns into a little crosshair with a camera. And if we hold down our left mouse button and drag it out, we can actually select the image here, just like that. I'll let it go. And it's gonna do a Google Lens search for me here on the right-hand side. I can see this is the Tower Hotel. There's all sorts of information on it, reviews, websites that match, and you can go ahead and book that. It really works quite well. On another example, maybe we'll do a search for cats, and you want to know what kind of cat this is here. Again, we'll go up in the top right-hand corner, select search with Google Lens, drag that out over the cat here, and we can see that that is a tabby cat, and it gives us all sorts of websites and other images for the same type of cat. And really, it's that simple to use Google Lens here in Google Chrome.